Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record a slow motion video on GoPro Mission 1. First of all, we have to swipe right to open the modes menu, and here scroll to slow-mo, select it. You can adjust the slow-mo settings by tapping right here and adjusting the aspect ratio, resolution, capture settings, image settings and shortcut settings. And once you are ready to start the recording, go back and press the recording button. This will begin the slow motion video, and once we stop recording it and gets processed, we can swipe up to see the preview of the video. And here we have it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.